Luxury isn't just a price tag. It's a collision of nature and engineering. Inside this facility, raw timber is transformed into heirlooms, where 5-axis robotics meet the steady hand of a master artisan. The result is furniture designed to outlast the generation that bought it. But beneath the varnish lies a complex process of stress, heat, and geometry. It all starts thousands of miles away, in the forest. Premium furniture demands premium hardwood, walnut, oak, and mahogany. Selectors look for straight grain and minimal knots before a single cut is made.
At the log yard, thousands of tons of timber await processing.
Inspectors check the end grain for rot or insect damage.
The first step in the factory is the debarker, stripping the outer shell. Giant bandsaws slice the logs into rough slabs, revealing the grain for the first time. Laser scanners map the log to maximize yield and minimize waste.
Fresh cut wood is wet. It must be dried to prevent warping later.
Kilns bake the wood for weeks, reducing moisture content to exactly 6%. Sensors monitor humidity levels 24/7 to ensure the wood stabilizes without cracking. This process hardens the cell structure, preparing it for machining. A moisture meter confirms the batch is ready for the mill room. Rough lumber is uneven. The planer creates the first flat reference surface. Crosscut saws remove knots and splits, leaving only clear wood. Rip saws cut the boards to precise widths required for the design.
For tabletops, narrow strips are color-matched and glued together.
Hydraulic clamps apply tons of pressure while the glue cures. Once dry, the panel acts as a single, solid sheet of timber. Now, the engineering shifts from brute force to surgical precision.
Computer numerical control, or CNC, routers carve complex geometries.
Carbide bits sculpt legs and arms with tolerances of a fraction of a millimeter.
5-axis movement allows the tool to approach the wood from any angle. What once took a master carver days is now roughed out in minutes. The machine automatically swaps tools to switch from heavy removal to fine detail.
But machines lack the nuance of the human eye.
Artisans refine the machine marks, adding organic flow to the design.
Luxury furniture is defined by how it connects. No nails, just joinery.
Tenoners cut the male end of the joint with absolute accuracy. Hollow chisel mortisers plunge into the wood to create the matching socket.
Before glue, a dry fit ensures the frame squares up perfectly.
High-strength wood glue is applied.
It creates a bond stronger than the wood itself.
Large frame presses squeeze the chair components together evenly.
Excess glue is wiped away immediately to prevent finishing issues later.
With the frame built, the sanding department takes over. Wide belt sanders level the large flat surfaces.
Curved legs require hand sanding to preserve their shape.
They move from coarse to fine grits, erasing every scratch.
Compressed air blasts away microscopic dust particles.
The finishing room is a pressurized, dust-free environment. The stain is sprayed on, soaking deep into the grain. Once dry, the sealer is scuff sanded to ensure the next layer sticks. The final lacquer topcoat provides armor against daily use. Pieces travel through UV ovens to cure the finish instantly.
The result is a finish that is both durable and beautiful. Automated cutters slice patterns with minimal waste.
High-density foam is glued to the wooden frame for comfort. Upholsterers stretch the material tight, eliminating wrinkles. Pneumatic staplers secure the fabric to the frame permanently.
Decorative nail heads are hammered in one by one.
The underside is sealed with a dust cover to finish the piece.
Drawers and doors are fitted with soft close hardware.
Drawers are adjusted to slide perfectly smooth. Feet are leveled to ensure the piece stands rock solid. Bright lights reveal even the smallest imperfection in the finish. Joints are stress tested to ensure they meet commercial standards.
The maker's mark is burned or stamped, signing the work.
Protective foam corners are added to shield the edges. Heavy-duty cardboard ensures it survives the journey.
From the factory dock, these pieces travel to homes globally. It takes over 100 steps to turn a rough log into luxury.
In an era of disposable goods, this is manufacturing built to last.
This is the art of modern wood manufacturing.